going to run you through the benefits of sauerkraut and why you should be making sure that you don't lack sauerkraut in your home. Kindly watch till the end. If you haven't subscribed to this beautiful channel, kindly do so to help me grow and make more videos that are beneficial to you all the time. Now, very easy. What is sauerkraut? Sauerkraut is a German name for fermented cabbage. Why should you take fermented cabbage? And what class is sauerkraut in? It is in the class of probiotic foods and vegetables. Kindly remember, this is a series that we are starting about probiotics, the foods and the drinks. We are going to do another video introducing all the probiotics, but today we are dealing with sauerkraut. We are putting a link how we made the sauerkraut, and the benefits are very many, but we are going to give you few, and most we are going to put in the video description. Number one, it's very good for your gut. People with gut issues, and don't wait to get gut issues. Make sure that you always remember all the health issues. The background is poor gut health. Kindly make sure you take the probiotics in any form, and the cheapest and the most affordable I find is sauerkraut. It's good because it has good bacteria that displaces the bad bacteria in your gut. It protects the stomach lining tissues and the walls, making sure that you don't get diarrheas, that you don't get the bad bacteria, and very good even for people with acidity issues, acid reflux issues, people with ulcers, people with H. pylori, people with heartburns. Kindly make sure you take this on an empty stomach. And people with ulcers and acidity, you can take it before the meals or even after the meals. The good thing about it is good for people who want to lose weight because it burns cholesterol. It's good for people who want to lose weight because it burns cholesterol, because of the good bacteria that you need in your body. More benefits we are going to put in the video's description. Not forgetting the glowing skin. Remember, if you want a glowing skin, it has to start from a clean gut. You have to make sure that your skin is glowing because your gut is clean. Somebody may be asking, what is the right amount that I'm supposed to consume in a day? It's just like your vegetables. Just eat as you want because it is very good for your gut. But you can eat 2 to 3 spoons or even 4, even 5 as you want. You have to note that the best form of consuming cabbage, the best way of consuming cabbage is in this form, the sauerkraut, the fermented cabbage. Why? Because cabbage has calories. And remember, cabbage is a carbohydrate. These are carbs. But when you take it in the fermented form, it has less calories. That is good for people who want to lose weight, for diabetic people who don't want high calories and sugars in their bodies. This is very good for them. Remember, fermented vegetables or foods or drinks are very good for diabetic people. And kindly don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to like my videos. Don't forget to put on a notification for more videos.